So once we know that a website is crawlable or not, then we will move forward with crawling that website. So for that we will need to set up some environment, and for simplicity we will be doing crawling in some cloud virtual machine, and for cloud we will be using Google Cloud. So these will be steps to perform crawling in this tutorial. First, we will be creating a new GCP account. So I have already one GCP account, so I will skip this tutorial. But just keeping the people who are not aware about this, I will just give them some idea that how can they set up a GCP account, which is very easy. Once we are done with creation of a GCP account, we can just create a new Linux VM in GCP. In our case, we will be creating a Ubuntu VM. Okay, because I find Ubuntu more easy than other Linux flavors like CentOS and other Unix flavors. So for keeping that simplicity in mind, I will be going with the Ubuntu machine. Then in third step, we will be learning some basic Linux commands that will be helpful for us in performing crawling. In fourth step, we will be installing a database named MongoDB. So we can use any database if we want, like it can be MySQL, it can be Postgres, it can be Oracle, it can be SQL. You can use any database for doing crawling and storing the crawling results into your local systems. But here we will be using MongoDB. Reason is same for simplicity. Then in fifth step, we will be doing crawling with the shell utilities, means shell commands. Those we learned in step 3. In step 6, we will be saving the crawling results in our database, and in final step we will be crawling multiple web pages at once. That means suppose if we want to crawl multiple products from our website, I will give you one simple example. Suppose if you want to know the stock prices of 1,000 companies, right? So you can not crawl all those at one time, because stock prices of all stocks are available on different pages in most of the cases. Okay, so in those cases you we will be creating a loop which will iterate through all the stock companies one by one and saving the stock prices of those in our databases.